UniStone proudly presents its recently completed project at ZAP Information Technology, Noida. Designed by Design Associates Incorporation and completed in February 2025. The project features dark gray clay facade panels that give the building a clean and contemporary appearance. Each panel measures 260 millimeters by 1,200 millimeters, with the CFP panels covering a total area of 7,850 square feet. Along with the UniStone CFP, UniStone's GRC Screens have also been installed in the project. Each GRC screen measures 910 millimeters by 2,750 millimeters, with a total installed area of 1,300 square feet. The project also features UniStone's solid aluminum façade system louvers at the front of the building. These louvers cover a total area of 5,599 square feet, providing a sleek, linear articulation that aligns with the building's modern aesthetic. The clay facade panels, solid aluminum louvres, and GRC screens. All these products prove UniStone's commitment to deliver high-quality and design-focused facade systems.
UniStone, elevating architecture with timeless design.